Hello everyone, we're going to discuss here logical operators. Let's see what is meant by logical operators. These operators, they are used to combine multiple conditions in your where clause. Multiple logical operators can be combined for a complex condition. Let's say if you want to create a complex condition, then you can use more than one logical operators. So what are these operators? Here we have three operators: and, or, and not. When to use and? When you want to have your both conditions to be true and return the record, then you use and. And when you have two conditions and at least one of them you want to be true, then you use or. And not is used when you want to return the opposite results of your condition. Let's try to understand in detail how to use that condition using syntax. This is your employee table. You have IDs, you have names, you have department IDs, and then you have salaries. What is the syntax for logical operators? This is where you are selecting all columns from your employee table. This is your table. And now you're using your where clause. And in where clause, see here, you have two conditions. This is first condition and this is second condition. And you are combining these two conditions using your logical operator. So here we are saying that both condition needs to be true. So first thing, you need a salary which is greater than 70, and after that you are saying department ID equals to 103. Let's see where is that record. Salary is greater than 70, so this is not going to be that record, this is not going to be that record, this is not going to be that record. This is 75,000. The first condition is true, right? It's greater than 70,000. Now let's check department ID equals to 103. Yes, this one is satisfied too. Now we have this record, so I will just say this one. Maybe you can have one more record, right? And we'll check last record here. Salary is greater than 70,000. Yes, it is. And then department ID equals to 103. No, it's not. So this is not going to be the record, right? We have only one record here. Let's see the result table. Okay, we have salary greater than 70,000 and department ID equals to 3. So this is how you combine multiple conditions using logical operator. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys.